I'm Phoebe Batterson-Brown, and this is the weekly Volatility Roundup from CMC Connect. CMC's proprietary basket of US banking stocks had an eventful week, buoyed to some extent by pockets of upbeat earnings news, although caution was in evidence too. That was stemming not only from concerns that savers would be demanding more attractive returns on deposits going forward, but the Fed's more hawkish than expected tone in Thursday's speech by Jerome Powell also rattled sentiment. This highlighted the fact that lower economic growth was likely needed to bring down inflation, and the accompanying default risk this brings for borrowers can't be ignored. The underlying basket traded in a range close on 10%, with 1 week vol printing 51.78% against 35.26% for 3 months. Oil prices continue to trend higher, underpinned by the developing situation in the Middle East and fears of contagion. The UK Brent Crude contract proved to be the most volatile, although it's worth noting some significant pullbacks were seen in the last few days. The sheer level of effort that is being committed to de-escalating the crisis has helped squeeze prices on occasion, whilst that hawkish talk from the Fed also took a toll. Gains over the last few days were limited to just a few dollars, but 1 week vol on Brent stood at 30.9% against 26.15% for 3 months. Safe haven demand, both in response to the Middle East situation and also from concerns over some disappointing earnings news, saw the Swiss franc being pushed into favour, with the Euro-Swiss pair trading down to levels not seen since the SNB removed the peg with the euro almost 9 years ago. 1 week vol on Euro-Swiss stood at 5.85% against 5.21% for 3 months. And Bitcoin also appears to be finding meaningful support right now, having pushed close to the $30,000 level by Friday evening. There's a safe haven aspect in play here, although more significantly, it's the idea that Bitcoin ETFs could soon receive approval from the US regulators that is propping up the price. 1 week vol on Bitcoin US dollar came in at 52.8% against 33.34% for 3 months.